You got your mom's lighter.
Oh, no I don't.
She traded you?
Yeah. She wanted the black one.
And it was half empty anyway, and this was...
Yeah, that one's a full fucking lighter. And she wanted the black one anyway.
I know.
Of course, I didn't tell her that it was half full.
The lady
Or that it was empty.
the other day, she had me a black one. I go, can you give me a red one instead?
Because Mom would fucking steal it. Oh, that's funny shit. Oh, just got his balls chopped off yesterday and he's doing fine.
I think I just went busy.
Yeah.
Look at Callie over there. Oh, wow. Yeah, he's gonna get sick. Watch him puke. Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Callie, come on.
Callie doesn't even want to play with it. She's like, no, I'm fine.
No. Getting it now. I see that.
Yeah, watch.
Right now.
I think he's tired out. Look at him.
No, there he goes. Gotta catch the red dot. Oh my god, she's caught on the bag. Well.
If that was empty, she's probably would have kept carrying it.
Yeah, oh my god, they get so terrified. Oh fuck.
That's with my curtain. He's already gone. Don't get him near my curtain.
Make him attack her. He's already going to. Look at this. Oh shit. There it goes. Patty, you're probably going to have to get new curtains after this.
He's already scratched up my new bar stool.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man, you just got those.
Melissa, I'm going to put it on your face in a minute.
I know, she can't get out of there though, Mom. Look at her.
Well, she'll get out.
She doesn't want to. Alright,